3D straight cup clipper operation video. Time and temperature are for references only. Click Start button to turn on machine. Press the Setup button to enter setting mode, and click the plus and minus button to switch the mode. Let's use the Setup 1 customer mode. Press the Setup button to set the up heating plate temperature. Press plus and minus button to adjust the temperature you need. Press Setup button again to set the down heating plate temperature. Press plus and minus button to adjust the temperature you need. Press Setup button again to set the time. Press plus and minus key to adjust the time you need. Let's set 80 seconds as an example. Wait heating up. We can make all kinds of straight cup without handle by this mode. For example, remove one end of the connecting pipe and attach it to the mold. Now the machine temperature has reached. We need to wear gloves. Open the machine. Insert the connection tube to machine from the other side. Put the cup as deep as possible. Press the vacuum button. Press the Start button to start the countdown.